Hello, how are you, buddy?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? All going well on your end?
Do you know about YouTube automation?
Yes, absolutely. YouTube automation generally refers to creating and managing YouTube channels in a more systematic way, often using teams or tools to produce and upload content without the primary creator having to do everything hands-on. It can involve outsourcing scripting, voiceovers, video editing, or even using AI tools. It's becoming pretty popular for building income streams on YouTube without relying on being on camera yourself. Want to know more about a specific part of it?